ओके बाय.
मजा नहीं आ रहा.
So evil. Okay.
2, 1.
पहले वो बोलो ना क्या I have to tell that.
Shan, what does teacher mean?
Control D.
ओके वो मछली तैरती उसके फिन्स होते हैं ना. चेस्ट कमिंग नो. कैमरा कौन सा
स्पीच ये कर लेता हूँ.
हाँ. अरे रुको तो. मैं तो इनसे भी बुरा हूँ कैमरा पर.
थोड़ा सोचने दे.
वनडे का मैच समझ के फंस गया ही. नक्कल्स तो मारती थी और मरियम्मा टीचर थी वो बाथरूम में केन से मारती थी. अभी ये तो मैं नहीं बोल सकता ना यहाँ पे.
टीचर्स डे
लास्ट में करूँगा.
वहाँ लास्ट में करो. पहले करो लास्ट में करो. तू समझ रहे हो.
चार टेक दूंगी. ठीक है.
ठीक है.
सुन ना मॉर्निंग में एक शॉट लेके बाद में कर देना है. ठीक है.
Hi Arijita.
Hi Sachin.
Happy Teachers Day.
Wish you the same.
What does teacher means to you?
Teacher. I think to me, anyone who helps me to learn, inspired me to grow, and impact my life positively is a teacher.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. मेरे ख्याल से गुरु का मतलब है जो हमें ज्ञान देता है, अंधकार की दुनिया से प्रकाशमय की दुनिया की ओर लेके जाता है, वो गुरु होता है. और हमारे सबसे पहले जो गुरु है हमारे माता पिता, उसके बाद हमारे गुरुजी, और जहाँ से हमें लर्निंग मिलती है वो सारे हमारे गुरुजन हैं. और सबसे बड़ा गुरु है हमारा अनुभव, ये भी हमें कुछ न कुछ सिखा के जाता है. थैंक यू.
टीचर्स जो शिष्य रहता है उनको राह दिखाता है और मतलब वो आदर्श रहते हैं, इसलिए टीचर्स का सम्मान मतलब हम करते हैं और उनका टीचर एक आइडियल पर्सन रहता है.
ओके. टीचर्स आय फील माझ्यासाठी तरी टीचर आहे ज्यांनी जगाची ओळख करून दिली मला. थँक्यू सो मच.
A teacher for me is a one who shape your life and gives you the right directions whenever you are required and wherever you are required. So teacher is a great help and it's a gift from God.
For me, teachers are the one who do the best for their students and not what is convenient for them.
टीचर्स हे आपल्या आयुष्यामधली खूप महत्त्वाची भूमिका निभवत असते. आई जसं जन्म देते तसं टीचर्स आपल्याला ज्ञानाचं भंडार देते. टीचर्स आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये खूप महत्त्वाचा रोल करत असते. आपल्याला वेळोवेळी ज्ञानाची माध्यमातून आपल्याला मार्गदर्शन करत असते. सो थँक्यू सो मच ऑल.
To all the best teachers, happy Teachers Day.
For me, teacher is a role model. Not only the school teacher, but day-to-day life, even the students teaches something. Okay, and teacher is the character to whom we can't ask the question. Tell me something which I don't know.
Hello everyone, let's take a moment to appreciate all those fantastic teachers who have made our learning journey unforgettable. The laughter during the classroom and the aha moment during the lessons, I guess, have shaped us in a tremendous way. So let's thank them for being awesome, and a very happy Teachers Day to the team. Though we may not be the traditional teachers, but every day during the work we are sharing, we are growing, and we are learning. So cheers to us, and a very happy Teachers Day. Keep rocking.
A teacher plays a very important role in our life. They help us to mold our path and secure our future by educating us. think it's a very important thing in our life.
Children are very pure and they take everything a teacher says very seriously. And teachers are the first guide and mentors in a child's life. And being a teacher is a huge responsibility because we are responsible for their mental and emotional, and I would also like to add spiritual growth of the child. So teachers is a very important role.
विद्येविना मती गेली, मतीविना नीती गेली, नीतीविना विद्य गेले, विद्येविना सारे खचले, इतके अनर्थ सर्व एका अविद्येने झाले. अशा विद्येचा काळोख ठेवून विद्यारूपी प्रकाश देणाऱ्या सर्व शिक्षकांना माझा सादर नमस्कार. हॅपी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल द टीचर्स.
After parents, the most important person in your life is teachers, because they don't not only give you knowledge how to be successful in your life by developing your career, but also give moral values to how to live your life perfectly. So I thank all of the teachers who contributed in my life, and happy Teachers Day to all.
I'm blessed to be a teacher in my life because I feel like I have the opportunity to take forward something that I have received from my teachers. I have been blessed in my life to also receive guidance and molding from a lot of very dedicated and sincere teachers, and I think that a teacher's mission goes beyond her profession, and I think that it is a very sacred cause to which many motivated individuals have dedicated their lives, as it takes a lot of effort, time, patience, consideration, innovation, and essentially a part of yourself is dedicated by a teacher to her students. So on this occasion, I wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers mean storyteller, and at the same time inspirer who inspires students to wonder and discover self and world.
Happy Teachers Day to all the mentors, educators and people who are making social impact in the society. I would like to thank each one of you for teaching me how to live life. Teacher is not the one person who taught you only in the schools or colleges. It's also about a life coach who have taught you about the values. So thank you everyone.
Teachers are the mentors who shape minds and touch hearts. To all the teachers out there, a very joyful Teachers Day.
Teaching is the art of shaping life. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone. Have you imagined a bird without wings, a man without feet, and a fish without fins? No, right? Because that is incomplete. That is what we all are, without knowledge, wisdom, understanding. So all of these things are taught to us. Since our childhood, as a baby, we come like a blank paper with absolutely nothing. A teacher is the one who writes on that blank paper like a pencil, who corrects the mistakes like an eraser, who sharpen us, make us a good personality like the sharpener. So, in all, the result is a great personality. That is what we are today, which is all because of the teachers we met in our life. So, on the occasion of today's Teachers Day, I'd like to congratulate and also thank each and every teacher which lies among all of us. Us, from childhood, have learned from our teachers, and of course they have taught us to make this understanding and knowledge ahead. That is all what we are doing today as a KEF family. And our motto itself is education, which gives power to the wings through which the bird can fly, power to the fins through which the fish can swim, and power to us as a human being to propagate this knowledge ahead. So in this journey of education, let us together work for the people, for the underprivileged kids, for all of them through which we can reach, and let us make this society better for each and everyone. Happy Teachers Day to one and all. Thank you.
हजारों फूल लगते हैं एक माला बनाने के लिए,
हजारों दीपक लगते हैं एक आरती की थाली सजाने के लिए,
हजारों रंग लगते हैं एक रंगोली बनाने के लिए, लेकिन एक शिक्षक ही काफी होता है बच्चों की जिंदगी संवारने के लिए। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Happy Teachers Day to everyone. I will be the cause for the change.